Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial on Clo3d, and this tutorial we're going to be creating a cargo pocket and a shape pocket. But before we continue, you can check out my mockup designs on my Gumroad account. Also, if you are looking for a way to create amazing animation or mockup animation for your clothing brand, you can also visit my channel page. But before we continue, once again, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and also on the notification bell. So let us begin. So first of all, we're going to start by creating an internal line on this button shirt. So you can select here, right click, hold on it, left click, hold on it, select internal rectangle. So the size depends on what you want, so you can just drag it depending on the size you want to use on your design, either a pant or a shirt. So let me remove this. I'm coming. So I want to remove linked editing so that can cancel this. So I'm going to be removing this. So I just want to use only this. So let me just use this here. Yeah, I think this is fine. So the next thing we'll do is to right click. So when you right click, you need to select clone as pattern. So let's drag it to the side, and we're going to clone this as pattern. So let's check for our pattern on our screen. Oh, it's too far. So let's bring it closer. Let's bring it closer a bit. Yes. So the next thing we're going to do is to select our line. You can select Z. Z is the shortcut to select line. So select this, hold on shift, select this, hold on shift, select this, hold on shift. And what you do is to right click. When you right click, select offset pattern outline. So when you do that, you select unified. So this is unified. You can increase it. Let's make this 10 millimeter. Okay. Okay, this is not bad. I will select okay. So after doing that, we have to convert this other line to an internal line. Sorry, we're going to convert it to an internal line. So we're going to select the trace tool. This is the trace tool here. So you select this trace tool, select this line, select this line, select this, and select this. Then you can see trace as internal line, and that's all. So the next thing we're going to do is to solidify this shape. So let's select all this. Yes. Then we're going to right click. When you right click, so we're going to strengthen it, not solidify. That's a mistake from my side. So strengthen it, you get. So after doing this, the next thing we're going to do is to fold. We're going to do fold this. So I'm coming. Let me place this closer to the design. Yeah. So we're going to be using this tool here. This is it. This fold arrangement. Select this. Then we're going to select the internal line and fold it. So this line, fold it inward. Yes. So, and when you do that, make sure you come here to select fold rendering and change the fold angle to 90 degree. So we'll do the same thing here. Select this, fold this, and fold angle 90 degree, and select fold rendering. We'll also do the same thing here. Select this, bend it over, yes, and fold rendering, select this and do this for 90 degree. So next thing is to stitch. So let's do this. I'm going to select N is for segment sewing. We're going to do some segment sewing here to this. Yes, let me wait for it to synchronize. Okay, yeah, so we're going to do this again to this. Yes, and we're going to do the bottom to the bottom here. So also we're going to sew this to this. I'm coming. So this to this, yes, then I'm coming, yes, and this to this. So I'm going to play it and let's see the result. Play or simulate, sorry, not play. So now we are good to go. So this is just the first part coming. So we are good to go here. So let's stop our simulation. Then we can create an internal line to create a fold in between here. So let's select this and this, and what you do is to right click. When you right click, you say distribute internal line between segment and you say okay. You do that. You do the same thing here, 1, 2, and you distribute distribute internal line between segment and you say okay, yeah. So that's good. So when we are done with that, we're going to select this coming. I'm going to select this internal line. So I'm going to change this to 360. I'm going to select full rendering. Yeah, so we do the same thing here. So we're going to change this to 360. And we're going to select full rendering. And we're going to simulate. So you can see it's folding. So you can see it is folding. So that's it. So the next thing again, we can stitch the top part a bit. Just so let's do this too also. Let me stop simulation. So let's select free sewing coming. So I want to do something here. Let me see. I don't know how. Let me select length to be 25. So what I did was that when I was dragging the free sewing, I right click. You get a right click so that I can have an actual measurement of the stitch at the top. So and I select OK, and I'll do the same thing here. 1, 2. So it is easier for me to do the same thing. I want this side and the other side to be equal. So you can make it longer than this. Yeah, this is just a tutorial, so you can make it longer than this depending on your choice. So we can do the same thing here. So when I select this, I can right click. So when I right click, I'm going to select 25 so that it can be equal with the other side. So select, and I'll do the same thing here. Just drag it. You get. So when you see that black, and what you do is spacebar. So let's wait for it to simulate. So you can see this. So this is it. But then I think there are pockets like this. They are box splitted. I have a tutorial on box splitted, which you can find on my channel page. If you want to learn how to create a pleated pocket, you get. So next thing is for us to add a flap. So let's do that now. Let me stop my simulation. Okay. So let's go here. Internal rectangle, and let's just drag it from outside here, and let's see how it goes. Yeah. Okay. Let me see. Let me see if I can bring it down a bit. So I think this is okay, but depending on your choice, this is just a tutorial, like I said. So you can take your time to perfect what you want to design. So what you do is clone as pattern. Yes. So when you do that, there's the pocket. I'm sure it's far away as usual. Oh god. Well, it's fine. So what we can just do is just segment sewing. We are just really going to segment sewing this to the top, and that's all. And let's spacebar. Oh, before I press spacebar, I'm supposed to do some features. So let me stop this thing. Let's stop the simulation and select this Q. Yeah, okay. What we are going to do is to under curve side geometry, we are going to select double-sided, check it, and also we are going to add thickness rendering, which is 2. So you can see this is the double-sided. You can see. So then select spacebar. So this is it. So then you can decide to make this place curvy. Let me see if I can do this. This is just the first phase of the tutorial. So let me stop my simulation. I think yeah, yeah, you use smooth curve. So when you use smooth curve, you can make, if you don't want a sharp edge, you can make it curvy. So when you select smooth curve, come select the line you want to and drag it just more. Yeah, let me see. Yes, and this is fine. You can do the same thing for the other side too. Yeah, we need to increase the particle distance. That's why it's looking like this. So let's increase the particle distance 20. So we can increase the reduce the particle distance. Let's make it 10. So and click on spacebar. Okay, yeah, this is not bad. Then you can decide to add your top stitches, and but then I think I'll also create tutorials on top stitches too, which will be in my next tutorial probably. So but this is how to create a this is just how to create a cargo pocket. So let's move to the other part, which is the shaped pocket. I'll be creating two types. There are two ways you can create that, so depends on your creativity, because I also tried one. So let's move to the next part. Okay, let's create our shaped pocket. So we'll be using this. So I'm going to select this, hold on it with your left click, and select internal eclipse. So I'm going to create an internal line here. So just drag it depending on the size you want. Okay, I think this is okay. So I'm selecting A to move it to a proper position. Oh, let me see, so much here. Okay, this is fine. So the next thing we're going to do is to create a long rectangle. But first of all, we need to know the measurement of the length of this total eclipse, the total length of the eclipse, sorry. So what we are going to do is to select this line, that we select this icon here, then we need to show the line length, select this, turn it on. So okay, I think before we do that, let's first clone this as a pattern. So let's clone as pattern, clone this as pattern, yes. So I'm going to bring it here, yeah, and bring it closer, yes. Also, let me freeze this. I'm coming to, I'm going to freeze this, freeze. Yeah, so let's go back to what we were saying. So after turning the show length, so for us to know the total length of this, so what I'll do is select Z to select line. Z is the shortcut, this is it here to select line. So select this and focus on the blue number, or the blue measurement, the blue value, sorry. So see 108.0. so when I hold on shift and select the other line, it adds the first and the second line together depending on how many lines you selected. You can see this is 216, and then when I select this is 324.0, and when I select this fourth one, this is 432.0. so what we do is we are going to select this, sorry, S is the shortcut for rectangle. So we know that, let me see, this is 432.0. so we're going to select this, then create a line. So let's do this. So what I did was I left click, and then our width is 432.0, 432. Then we're going to select this as let's make it 30. 30 is fine depending on your choice. So, and let's select OK, and we're going to I'm coming, let me drag my screen recorder up. So okay, yeah, so I'm going to do this, bring this down, bring this, yes, yeah, okay, let's bring it closer, and we can just rotate it a bit. So I move it closer a bit. So yeah, so we are done with that. Let me just off this line. Oh no, sorry. So I'm going to select this and turn off show line length, yes. So let's select Z now. Okay, this is it. The next thing I'll do is to do a free sewing, which is M. So I'm going to do this, select this and select this, hold on your shift, and you can select this. So let me see this. Yeah, this is fine. So the next thing you do is space bar, okay, to simulate. Yeah, space bar to simulate. So let's wait for it to okay, I think something is wrong. Oh, okay, that's weird at first. Okay, let me see. That was weird at first. I was feeling something was wrong. Let me see this. Let me stop the simulation. I'm coming. Okay, let me see once again. Let me simulate it back. Yeah. Okay. Okay, I think this is fine. This is fine. So let's okay. It's still simulating. Okay, select spacebar and then let's stitch this. So segment sewing, you're going to stitch this side with this side and select your spacebar. So think the next thing we'll do is to stop our simulation. Then this pocket here, okay, this, let's just on freeze and let's strengthen it. So I'm going to select this. I'm going to move it closer. Yeah, so I'm going to select this line here. So I'm coming, select free zone, which is M, select this, you can hold on your shift and select these two. Coming, let me see, you might need to reverse, let me see. Okay, let me select B. I don't think I did that properly, so reverse. Okay, yeah, this is fine. So let's select spacebar to simulate. So here we are, we have our pocket. So the next thing you can do is to create an internal rectangle. Coming, so let me select spacebar and internal rectangle here. So you can make it as long as you want. I'm coming, so coming. Okay, let me see. And then we can just drag it back a bit. Oh, sorry, I was trying to reduce the length of this. Let me see. Okay, though there are different way you can do this. There are different way you can do this, so that I can get an actual measurement. So let me just reduce the particle distance looking of this. So let me reduce it to 10. Spacebar. Yeah, so next thing we can do is to, we are going to cut. I'm not going to sew it, I'm just going to cut it off. So we're going to delete this line here. We're going to delete this, delete that shape we just cut off from the pattern. So next thing is to add our zipper. Coming, yeah, this is it. So select this, coming, then we are going to select this to this, double click, then select this to this, double click. Then let's, okay, yeah, spacebar to simulate our zip. So here we have our zipper. Can you see? We have it here. So this is it. I'm coming. So this is it here. Then you can go to the zipper setting to make your changes. So when you select your spacebar, stop your simulation. I'm coming. Okay, I think this side is flipped. So let me select. Okay. So next thing you can do is select this. In case it's flipped like this, I think I have to flip the normal. So I'm coming. So let me select this and flip normals. Yes, because let me check this textured surface. Okay, let me flip this normal too. Yeah, okay, it's fine. So let's go back to T garment. So okay, so if you want to edit this, just select these two, then you can select the teeth or the tape, either of them. Yeah, so when you select this, you see them here. So this is the teeth and this is the tape. You can change it to I'm coming, sorry, there's this is plastic. You can change it to metal, you can see, and there's another preset again I think we have here. So not here, I'm coming, let me scroll up. This custom, yes, we have plastic too. Also, you can change the size, right? This is the teeth size. You can make it 5. You want it to be bigger. So you can see bigger, and here you can. This is the preset. We have nylon. You can see this is more like bag for bag. So, but then probably later in some of my tutorial, I will dive into some of these features on Clo3d. But this is how to just create a shaped pocket, as you can see on screen right now. So so this is it. So but there's another method too. There's another method you can use also, which I will explain. Which will be the last thing I will explain in this tutorial. I'm coming. So let's create the last pocket for this tutorial, which is going to be similar to the previous one we just did. So I'm coming. So I want to use a shape. So let me do this. So what I'll do is to select the graphic. I want to use an image, sorry, not a shape. So I'm going to select this graphic 2D pattern. Yes. Then we'll be using this. Exactly. We're going to use this. Then we are going to select here and probably let's use like 180. Yes, 180. Let me put 200. Let me see 200. Yeah. So this is it here. So let me just move it down here. So what we are going to do is that there's a new features in Clo 2024. So what I'll do here is to I'm going to right click. So when I right click, I'm going to select trace as internal shape. So it's going to give me an internal line. So in this situation, the shape I want to create has been converted to an internal line. So I can delete this I can delete the art graphics. So or the love graphics, anyone. So what I'll do is just select this and delete. So we have this here, we have this here. So I'm coming. So we can select all this. So when we select all this, we can what we'll do, we're going to clone it as pattern. So we're going to clone as pattern here, you can see. So this is it here. So this is clone as pattern. Then we can do the same method for that. So we're going to create a plane, but first we need to know the measurement of this art. So I'm coming. Same method, same style. So we need to create a plane like this. So I'm coming. So first we need to know the total. This is going to take a while. I think I just have to guess. Let me see. So I'm coming. Let's see. Show line length. Yes. Let me see this. I'm coming. Oh no. I'm coming. I can't guess, but then let me use 200. I'll use 200 as length. Can't guess. I don't. This is a tutorial, so I don't want to waste much of the time. So coming. Why is this thing glitchy? Okay. Quite. So let me just create a plane. S. Select 200. If the width is 200, that looking too small. Let me make it 300, and let's make this height 30. I don't know if I'm comfortable with this. Let me make it 400. Don't mind me. So okay, let's select okay for this. I think I'll find with this. So you can only convert a graphics to a shape in the new version. Not it doesn't work in 7.3. It only works in 2024. So coming. So we're going to do this too. Yeah. Let me see. Well, to be done, let me. Okay, so the next thing I'll do is select A. Let me just come in. So I'm going to select this. I'm going to freeze it as usual, like I said. So I'm going to select M, yeah, which is for free sewing. And let me see if I'm on the right. Yes. So I'm going to select this. Then hold on your shift. I'm going to select this. We need more. It's too small. So we need a little bit. Let me see if I can. Let me see. How should we do this again? Let me see. Ctrl Z. Let me just pull it forward a bit. So Z and drag it forward. Okay. Hold on, shift to okay. Let me leave it like this. So let me try again. So M, free sewing, do this, then this, then okay, this number is close, but then we are stopping here. Yeah. Oh my god, not what I wanted to do. Ctrl Z. Another error. And this side, let me use this other side. It's looking like okay. So let me do it again. 1 and 2. Yes, yeah. Exactly. This is what I wanted to do. So let's select spacebar. Yeah. Then stop the simulation. Let me move closer. Yes. So stop simulation. Then we need to segment sew this. So select N on your keyboard and do it. Yes. And select spacebar. Then stop the simulation. So select Q, select this. We're going to unfreeze and also strengthen it. Unfreeze, then strengthen. Yes. So when you strengthen this, I'm going to move this forward. Coming. So yeah, we have it. So let me move it closer a bit. Let me also reduce the particle distance to 10. And then we're going to stitch this with the internal lines. Hey, it's too close. It's too close. Damn. Okay. Let's select M, and then we're going to select this line. Yes. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Hold on shift. Then select this. Move around. Okay. Let me show it. Yes. Then spacebar to simulate. So the next thing for us is to add an internal rectangle. So let's do that. Let me see. Yes, select this internal rectangle, and then you can just create something in between here. So no. Let me just pull it in my own way. Yeah. So let me move closer. Okay. I think that's too long, so let me just pull it back a bit. Oh yeah, this is not bad. So we are going to repeat the same thing. Let me think this is not at the center properly. So let me see if I can bring it to the center. Yeah. So the next thing is to cut. We're going to cut this off. Then I'm going to delete the pattern. Yeah, do this. Then we're going to select zip. Then we'll do the same thing. I'm coming. So can select either this. Yes, coming. Yo shit. Very annoying. No. If this continue like this, I'll just do it here. Okay. If it doesn't work there, we'll do it here. Because it's one of these zipper. Yeah, so double click. Yeah. So we'll do the same thing again. Yeah. So I'm gonna yeah, okay. Double click. Then you can select okay. let it synchronize. Then yeah, spacebar to simulate. Then turn off your simulation. Oh, it's just even simulating. So this little error, we can always fix it. Let me select this or select. Okay, let me just select this so that I can select. So I'm going to reverse this or flip. Yes, you can see, and we have to do the same thing here. Let me see. Yeah, so we are good. You can see, problem fixed. Then you can tweak your setting here depending on the way you want it coming. So that's just it, and that's how to create a shaped pocket. So thank you for watching this tutorial. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button and also on the notification bell to get more videos.